Hello and welcome to KurzReview and my short review of the Ducky Mecha Mini. I had the normal Ducky 1.2 Mini before as my first mechanical keyboard, and then I switched to the Mecha Mini. What's inside the box? Basically everything you can see here. Of course, the keyboard itself, some additional keycaps, a keycap puller, and an USB-C to USB-A cable to connect the device to your PC. I luckily got the blue keycaps. The key color inside the box is always random. Once I also got the yellow ones that you can see there. And the theme of this additional space key also changes from year to year, and with the keycap puller you can easily switch the caps. I have chosen the Cherry MX Brown switches. If you're new to mechanical keyboards, there are basically three main sorts of switches with a few variations, and I recommend you to visit the official Cherry MX website to find the right switches for you. You can find a link in the description. With the Mecha Mini you get a full aluminum matte black body, and I was totally happy with my Ducky 1.2 Mini before, but I personally disliked its shiny white plastic case on the bottom, and the Mecha Mini just feels more solid and premium, and I like the dark black matte black color. Everything else is almost pretty much the same, it just comes back to your personal preference. Here you also have a nice Mecha Mini branding at the back, and of course the USB Type-C connection for your cable. At the back you can see the 2 feet to adjust the height of the keyboard, and there are also 4 small DIP switches for different functions. For example, you can disable the Windows key if you like to. At the side of the keycaps you can see small symbols. These are all preset shortcuts. You can access them when you hold the FN key plus the shortcut you like. For example, to increase or decrease the volume, you can also mute everything. You can access all the arrow keys pretty easy, and also use all the F keys on the top row. And I personally also made some multimedia shortcuts, for example to pause my music, to jump to the next song, and to jump to the previous song. To record the macro you have to hold FN Alt Tab, and now you can choose a key where you want to create a macro, for example B. Now you can type everything you want, and when you are finished recording just press FN plus Alt and the macro is saved. Now for example create a new one at M, type everything you want, finish recording FN plus Alt. You can see here B and M are shining because we created some macros here. When we hold FN, you can also create shortcuts at the FN layer, as I also did before with my multimedia keys. When you want to delete the shortcut, just press the shortcut and you see the shining disappears. Here you can see useful multimedia function keys that you can create as a shortcut. There are 10 preset backlit modes. This is the first mode, the wave mode. You can access them when you hold FN Alt plus T. You can also create 2 custom modes and access them by clicking FN Alt plus G or FN Alt plus B. And as you can see, I like it pretty simple. I only illuminated the top row in white. So how do we do that? At first press this combination, then B for custom mode 1. Caps lock is already shining red. This does mean each key I press will turn red. Now to change the color, we must hold caps lock and the RGB colors will appear. If we hold caps lock and push X, we add some green to our red. Caps lock changes its color to yellow, and each key we press now will turn yellow. When we finish our customization, we hold caps lock plus the left shift. Now when we want to open our newly made custom mode, we hold FN Alt plus B, and when we want to turn the lights off, we hold FN Alt and double B. To open custom mode 2, as we already have seen, FN Alt plus G, and to turn the lights off, again FN Alt and double G. You can also combine your custom mode with the regular mode when you hold FN Alt plus T. Fun fact, you can also play Minesweeper with your Ducky Mini. Is everything fine? Green will shine. If it's red, you're probably dead. When you press space, you can start a new round. thank you for watching my Kurz review. I hope I could help you. If you have further questions, please let me know in the comments. Also visit the links in the description for additional helpful information. Again, thanks for your time and I wish you a good day and a good life.